welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a nude glam makeup look for Shoshti. So yeah, you can carry this look on any day of the puja you want. I could have kept it till nude, but I thought, why not put up a little bit of glam in it, because it's puja time and we all wanna look little bit of glam. This is a glam makeup look for the puja, but also nude, so keeping that nude makeup look in mind, so I skipped a few steps. So you should watch this video very minutely, because as you can see, I haven't applied any liner, any kajal. I wanted to keep it subtle yet with a hint of glam. So this is gonna be the look that I have come up with today. So I have done the makeup in depth, step by step. So keep on watching and do let me know what all other looks you wanna watch on this channel. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here I am using the saffron moisturizing cream on my face and applying it all over as a moisturizer. Next up, I'm using the primer. 3-in-1 Primes Protects moisturizes the inside primer that is oil free because I have oily skin. Next up, I'm using the CVV foundation. So this is a new foundation that I'm trying. The only favorite foundation of mine is still the Maybelline one, but I thought to give this a try. So here I'm trying to apply it all over my face and blending it properly without leaving any part of my face. And as you can see, this one glides so well, it blends so nicely, and this is actually my shade, that's why it's not looking cakey. It blended so well, it feels like a second skin, and I think I like this one a little more than the Maybelline one. I think I should have tried this one before that, but anyway, fine. I have it now and I can use it. So yeah, I'm dabbing it all over my face with a sponge. Next up, I will be using this Pro Conceal from Inside and applying the concealer in an inverted triangular motion underneath my eyes and also on my eyelids to make it a base for the eyeshadows. And yeah, and this is how I'm blending it. It has a brush, so it's very easy to apply as well. And now I will be using the same sponge and mixing up the concealer with the foundation, so blending it really nicely all over the eyelids and underneath my eyes. Next up, without letting it to crease even for a bit, without any further delay, I'm applying the Fit Me face powder, because if you're not applying a powder right after the concealer will start creasing, and that's not what we want. To avoid any harsh lines, I'm quickly brushing the compact all over my face, and also don't skip the neck. So yeah, everything should look similar. And now I'm using the Chameleon eyebrow pencil and drawing an outline like how exactly I want my eyebrows to look. So after drawing the outline on both my eyebrows, I am using this eyebrow powder in the shade dark brown, and applying it all over my eyebrows just to fill it in. And yeah, I'm showing the tutorial of only one eyebrow and then taking a nice and beautiful spoolie to fill in the eyebrows and blend the powder and the outline really nicely so that there are no harsh lines. And then I am using the NK Mocha Mix palette, and I am taking the white shade and applying it on my eyelids as in like a powder, because we applied the concealer before. So yeah, I'm applying the white shade as a base of the eyeshadow so that the other eyeshadows pops up nicely. And now I'm using the light brown shade from the same palette and applying it on my eyelids. Next up, I will be taking the shimmery shade from the Sugar Plum palette from the NK again, and I am using a flat brush to apply it on my eyelids, on half of my eyelids basically, and the outer corners are covered with dark brown eyeshadows. so the shimmers shouldn't look very poppy, like glittery, very light glam look. So that's why I used very little shimmer. So now I'm using the highlighter from the Swiss Beauty palette, and now I have applied the highlighter on my cheeks and also on the bridge of my nose, and I applied the lashes, which I kept it drying beforehand. Now I'm applying the mauve shade from the LE18 on my lips, and because it's little pinky and we are going for a nude look, so I'm using this creamy mattes from Maybelline. I will be mentioning all the products in the description box down below, you can check it out. So I'm topping it up with this nude shade because it's very light, it will be barely visible, so I popped in with the mauve shade just to make it little visible and also not very pinky. The final look. Guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this nude glam makeup tutorial. I'll be coming up with more makeup tutorials, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click on that little bell so you get notified every time I put up a new video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.